For today's video, we have a quick tip. All you need is a piece of mild steel, a bearing, and a nut and a bolt. I'll put a link in the video description for all the materials and the bearings that I used in this project. If you have some long material in the lathe that's running slightly eccentric, loosen the chuck jaws slightly, bring the bearing tool up against the material. As you press, it'll bring it into concentricity. Stop the lathe, tighten the chuck jaws, and then you'll see that it has corrected itself. This is my absolute favorite use case for the bearing. A thin disc that needs to be trued up in the 3-jaw. It does such a great job and makes it run really accurate. If you like this tip video, be sure to check out our channel and subscribe. We have great build videos and other tips and trick videos for you to check out. Thanks for watching.